Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all of the rework patterns on Dress to Impress. So they did rework a few patterns. If you just selected an outfit here, which I'm doing right now, if you go to patterns and you scroll down to the last bit here, you'll see a lot of patterns that have been reworked, or they probably added it. I'm not sure. So there's these cute plaids, these ones with the flowers on them, the animal print patterns that they have, like this one. I don't think they reworked this. I'm not a big fan of these ones, if I'm being honest. Also reworked these ones. They also, I think, reworked this flower pattern. Not sure. They definitely added this one. And this one, these ones as well, they've either reworked or added. I think they just reworked it. Again, I'm not a big fan of that, but that's okay. I think they also reworked this one. And that's all the pattern they reworked on. They also reworked a few items. Here, I'll show it to you guys. They reworked this item over here, I think, or they added it somewhere else. But as you can see, you can use can you not use just a top? Okay, no. But you can use just a skirt. And there's a lot of toggles on that outfit. And then outside, they reworked. Let me see, which one did they rework? They reworked this top over here. The heart-shaped tank top. They definitely reworked that, which I actually quite like the rework. And then I think they reworked this. I'm not quite sure because I rarely use this item, but I think they did. There's also one more thing that they reworked, if I can just find it, or that was the one that they reworked. It was the top that had a bow on it. Sorry, I'm trying to get used to stuff because I don't know where anything else. Well, there was one other thing that they reworked, which I cannot find. It was does this one even have toggles now? Okay, so it's not this one. Where is it? I can't find the other thing that they reworked. Well, they did rework something else. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That's pretty much all I know about the reworks and stuff on this game. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.